Hi everyone, welcome back to Massive Crochet. For this pattern, I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. We'll start by making a slip knot. Then we'll crochet our foundation chain to whatever length we'd like for our project. Just make sure our starting chain has an even number of stitches. Skip the first 3 chains, then work a half double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. Those starting chains count as your first half double crochet, so you now have 2 stitches. Continue working 1 half double crochet into each chain across. For row 2, chain 1 and turn your work. Make a half double crochet in the first stitch. Now, skip 2 stitches, then make a half double crochet into this space. Go back, skip 2 stitches, and make a half double crochet into the space between the first 2 stitches. Skip 2 stitches, then make a half double crochet in the space between the stitches. Go back, skip 2 stitches again, and make a half double crochet in the same space where you worked before. Continue repeating these steps all the way across. Skip 2, half double crochet, skip 2, half double crochet. Finish the row with a half double crochet into the top of the turning chain. Row 3, chain 1, turn, and work a half double crochet into the very first stitch. Skip 2, half double crochet in the next space. Go back and make a half double crochet in the first space. Work a half double crochet into the next space. Half double crochet in the previous space. Finish the row with a half double crochet in the last stitch. Row 4, chain 1, turn, and work the same way as row 3. Row 5, chain 1, turn. Make a half double crochet in the first stitch, then continue with a half double crochet in each stitch across. Now repeat rows 2 through 5 until you reach your desired length. I absolutely love how this pattern turned out. It's easy to work up, comes together quickly, and the texture is incredibly soft. It's perfect for blankets, scarves, and any project where you want that extra touch of softness and comfort. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the bell so you never miss any new tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.